In recent years, artificial intelligence has made a lot of progress in the field of art generation. This has made it possible for users to make beautiful, one-of-a-kind works of art with just a few clicks. Artificial intelligence art creator tools can make a wide range of styles, from abstract and surreal to hyper-realistic and traditional, by using complex algorithms and machine learning models. In this video, we'll show you the best 3 AI art generator tools you can use right now. Subscribe to us now and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Let's get started. Number 3. Deep Dream Generator. Deep Dream Generator is one of the best AI art producers on the market. It was made by AFNet. This online tool uses AI to make realistic pictures by using a neural network that was trained on millions of images. The tool is very easy to use. All you have to do is upload a picture to make a new one based on the original. One of the most common ways to use Deep Dream is as a tool for making art. By using different drawing styles, the tool makes pictures that look like they come from different places or times. Also, users can choose a category like animals or landscapes and use it to make a realistic picture. You can choose from 3 different styles: Deep Style, Thin Style, and Deep Dream. You can also see a preview of the picture before you save it. Number 2. Night Cafe. Another well-known platform in the field of AI art generators is called Night Cafe. It is well-renowned for having a greater number of algorithms and settings than other generators, and it is straightforward to use even for inexperienced users. Night Cafe is based on a credit system and offers a substantial free tier in addition to the opportunity to earn credits by taking part in various aspects of the community. The website enables users to produce films, download all of their photographs in bulk, organize their efforts into collections, and even buy prints of their artwork. Additionally, it provides social elements and thriving online communities. Number 1. Get Image. Get Image is a one-of-a-kind image maker with a set of AI tools for making original pictures at large sizes and changing photos. With more than 20 AI models, like Stable Diffusion and custom community styles, users can easily expand pictures beyond their original limits or make their own AI models. The advanced editor lets users add missing parts to any picture or make large, beautiful works of art on a canvas that can be any size they want. Get Image also has customized AI models that are easy to make by adding 10 photos. Get Image has everything users need to make beautiful images and models quickly and easily. It has a fast processing speed and a lot of choices that can be changed easily. That's all for today. Make sure to like the video and follow us for more such amazing videos.